Okay, y'all. I'm gonna follow the guys. Here we go. Hope I can get back up here. There they are. It's pretty out here. Yeah, babe.
This should be my little go-to spot right here. This is called Tinker Creek.
Tinker Creek.
Tinker Creek. Haven't been here in a few years, but just spend a little time out here with my wife and son. Mess around a little bit and see what happens. Water's very low, not very clear, but
You almost had something.
yes, ma'am. See, it rained, so now they're hungry.
Wait, Lord, Dad, would I need a wait?
No. Try that one first. But put a piece of lead on the tip.
We need that.
Got on there.
Right there.
It's not the goat, but it sure does mimic a minnow.
Huh?
It's not the goat minnow, but it sure does mimic one. That's all that matters to me. He was chasing. Watch. See, them little ones was even chasing.
I didn't fly that.
You gotta put more weight on there than that.
You said a small one.
Yeah, but it's gotta be a little bigger than that one. You gotta be able to get it out there.
How do I take this weight off?
So cool.
Usually they're
The mosquitoes are running me to the car. I wasn't prepared for fishing. There they are, looking at the water and deciding where to go. But I wasn't dressed for fishing. So I'm sitting in the car editing this video. I guess that's probably gonna be it. So we will talk to you later and have a blessed day.